I have seen so many developers who apply to hundreds of jobs. LinkedIn, Indeed, remote sites, and many others. They just keep sending CVs one after another. But if you ask them which companies they applied to, what the rule was, or what their plan for the next week, they have no clue. They just apply randomly and hope something strikes. And here's the truth, that rarely works or never works. I've been there too. I wasted weeks like that, wondering why I wasn't getting callbacks, until I built a simple job search system that actually works, especially for developers. In this video, I walk you through that exact process step by step. By the end, you will know how to apply smarter, how to track what you are doing, and how to stay consistent without losing motivation. And yes, I'll also share a Notion template that you can just duplicate and start using right away. So here's what you will get from this video. I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step system that completely changes how you apply for jobs. It's practical, easy to follow. You will be able to build your own version of it by the end. Each part connects to the next, so make sure you stay till the end, because once you see the full picture, you'll realize why most developers waste months applying the wrong way and how you can fix that starting today. Let's start from the foundation. Think of job searching as a project, not as a gamble. When you work on a project, you plan, organize, and execute. But when it comes to jobs, most people skip that. So here's what I want you to do first. Build your job apply system. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. Number 1, where will you apply? Is it LinkedIn, well-found, remote okay, or somewhere else? Select one or two. Number 2, what kind of roles are you targeting? Maybe front-end developer, software engineer, or full-stack developer. Be specific, very important. Number 3, which countries or regions are you focusing on? Is it remote, or you are open to relocation? Once you define this clearly, your search will immediately feel more focused. You will stop endless scrolling and start identifying real opportunities that fit your goals. It's like seeing filters for your career. When you know where, what, why, you move faster and with confidence. Now that you have built the foundation, it's time to get specific. You might think, I just want a developer job, but that's too broad. The companies hiring today are looking for a precise, and you need to have that clarity too. So define your target in 3 dimensions. First, what post are you actually aiming for? For example, front-end engineer, backend engineer, or full-stack engineer. Second, what level are you ready for? Junior, mid-level, senior, or lead? And third, what type of environment suits you? Fully remote, hybrid, or relocation-based? When you know exactly what kind of job you are targeting, every application becomes intentional. You'll write better cover letter, tailor your CV easily. You will stop chasing every opportunities and start aligning with the right ones. This clarity is what separates the random job seekers from the strategic ones. Okay, now you know what you want, but how do you actually manage all the applications without getting overwhelmed? That's where your application flow comes in. The easiest way to do this is with a Notion database. You can make your own or use the one I am sharing in the description below. As I use it. In week 1, I only collect job posts. I don't apply yet. I just gather potential opportunities that match my filters, maybe 15 or 20 or even more. Then in week 2, I start applying to those collected jobs one by one. However, you can divide that time depending on your suitable time frame. Why? Because separating collection and application helps you stay consistent. If you try to do both every day, you will get lost switching contests. Some days you will collect too many, other days you forget to apply at all. Batching makes it smoother. You can even set weekly goal like I will apply to 10 jobs a week, because job hunting is a number game. But not just about quantity, it's about quality consistency. The more intentional application you send, the better your odds. That's manageable and still keeps you moving forward. And because everything tracked in Notion, you will see the progress visually. You know which jobs are pending, where you get replies, and where you need to follow up. It feels organized, not chaotic. Now let's make sure your tools are ready before you hit that apply button. The biggest mistake I see developers make is rewriting or re-editing their CV every time they apply. That kills momentum. There's a better way. Create a clean, up-to-date CV that focuses on the role you are applying for. Have a basic cover letter template ready, one that you can tweak slightly per job. Prepare your answers for common questions in advance, things like expected salary, current projects, and notice period. And finally, optimize your resume slightly based on the job description. Highlight the skills that matters most to that company. The preparation saves you hours later and gives you consistency, because once everything's ready, applying don't feel like a headache, it feels like execution. Think of it like preparing your developer environment. You set it up once and then you can code faster every time. Now before you start applying, let me share a few bonus tips that makes a huge difference. Small actions that actually increase the chances. First, try to reach out to someone from the company. Politely ask if they can refer you or give some context. Even a single message can bring your CV to the top of the pile. Second, show your work, add your GitHub portfolio or personal projects that highlights your skills. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something that proves you can build. Third, know your worth. Research salary ranges before applying so you can negotiate confidently. And finally, remember this: hiring isn't just about skills, it's about how well you communicate your value. Most developers talk about what tools they use. The smart ones talk about what problems they solve. If you focus on that, you'll always stand out. So here's the recap. Step 1, build your system. Step 2, define your target. Step 3, create your flow. Step 4, prepare your resources. And step 5, apply with an edge. If you follow this system, you will stop the random chaos and start seeing real progress. You will apply with purpose, stay consistent, know exactly what's working and what's not. I've linked the Notion template below so you can start right away. Just duplicate it, fill in your details, and make it your personal job search dashboard. If you found this helpful and want more videos like this that simplify the developer's life, hit subscribe and stay connected, because I'm sharing more systems like this, practical, structured, and designed for developers who want to grow smarter, not just harder. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.